secret to safely cleaning your carpets and furniture, it's not just about the cleaning product. This video explains the importance of testing for color fastness. In today's video, I want to discuss an important aspect of carpet and upholstery care, color fastness. Understanding color fastness can save your beautiful home from unintentional damage. I'm going to cover what it is, why it's important, and how you can test it. Color fastness refers to a carpet or fabric's ability to maintain its original color when exposed to cleaning products. Essentially, it's about ensuring that the dyes in your carpet or furniture don't bleed or transfer during a cleaning. Modern materials are usually safe, but be cautious with natural fibers like wool or bamboo, especially if you're using a professional grade product or if this is the first time using a new product on this material. Why is testing for color fastness important? Carpets and furniture come in a variety of materials, each interacting differently with cleaning products. Without testing, you could use the wrong cleaner and turn your carpet into a colorful mess. This usually can't be fixed. Testing acts as a safety check, ensuring that your fabric, the dye in that fabric, and the cleaning products are all compatible. Start by choosing a hidden spot, like the corner of a closet for your carpets, or underneath a piece of furniture where the fabric is folded over and stapled to the frame. This will allow you to test without affecting any of the visible areas. To test for color fastness, apply the cleaning product you're going to use to a clean white towel. Take that towel and gently press it onto the carpet or fabric. Check to see if that towel has any color transfer. If only dirt appears, it means the product is safe. But if you see the same color of the carpet or fabric that you're cleaning transfer onto the white towel, it's best to avoid using that cleaner on that fabric. This is a critical warning. Never pour the cleaner directly onto your carpet or fabric you're going to test. This can cause the colors to spread and create an unfixable mess. Always apply the cleaner to the towel first and then use that towel to test for color fastness. Testing for color fastness should always be the first step when you're cleaning. This is especially the case if this is the first time you're using this cleaner on this fiber. This acts as an insurance policy for your carpet's colors. By taking this simple precaution, you ensure your carpets and furniture will remain as bright as the day when you first fell in love with them. Thank you so much for watching this video on color fastness. By understanding and testing for color fastness, you can protect the vibrant colors in your carpet and upholstery. For more tips on carpet and upholstery care, visit us online at signaturecarpetcleaning.ca or watch another one of our great videos.